The goal of DNA is to acquit or convict. Oftentimes, many people in our criminal justice system are incarcerated for crimes they never committed. As a result, in the 1970s, a group called the Innocent Project was formed. Basically, this group looked into a case to see if there was error in the trial process that maybe the appellate court was not able to catch during the time. And oftentimes, if there was an error in the trial, the Innocence Project will uh, file a petition for state supreme or appellate courts to review the case. Oftentimes, the Innocence Project has come up with a list of instances in which may lead a jury to render a guilty verdict against the defendant. These include eyewitness identification, self-incriminating statements, use of coercion, use of informants, prosecutorial misconduct, tainted evidence, and even false expert witnesses, and even improper or invalidated forensic scientific evidence was brought into the trial, which may have led the jury to render a decision, which they did. The Innocence Project has come out with some interesting statistics I would like to share with the audience here. First, the Innocence Projects have performed 289 exonerations, meaning that an exoneration means that the person is released from prison after being wrongfully convicted. Um, the average time that was spent in prison was 13 and a half years. The average age was 27 years old. And of those 289 people, the majority were African American, followed by 82 white people, 21 Latinos, 4 of unknown race, and 2 of Asian descent. The first exoneration took place in 1989, in which a African American gentleman spent 20 years for a rape that he never committed. And since then, they recently updated statistics. As of 2000, there's 222 exonerations that have taken place for those that have been wrongfully convicted. And of those, 17 people had spent time even on death row. As a result of the impact of the Innocence Projects, many states such as Pennsylvania, New York, Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, even the District of Columbia, the Supreme Court and appellate courts have ruled that law enforcement officers must record all interrogations of an individual when they're being questioned in a homicide.